It scheduled 3 meetings before I even woke up. I just sent one text, and Noah did the rest. Imagine texting one message and never touching your calendar again. Hey Noah makes that possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own AI executive assistant in under 10 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what Hey Noah actually does, and why it's not just another chatbot. Then, exactly how to set it up and send your first command. After that, the one feature that replaces a real human assistant. And by the end, you'll have your own AI executive assistant running, completely free. Hey Noah is an AI executive assistant that lives entirely in your text messages. It schedules meetings, follows up with contacts, preps you before calls, and even makes phone calls on your behalf. It's built for founders and small business owners drowning in calendar back and forth. There's no app to install and no dashboard to learn. You just text it, like you'd text a real assistant. It just became the #1 product of the day on Product Hunt, and its early users have already booked over 17,000 meetings through it. It plugs into Gmail, Google Calendar, Zoom, Slack, Notion, and Granola, so it already has the context it needs the moment you text it. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to heynoah.io and enter your phone number. No credit card required. Step 2. Text Noah something simple, like set up coffee with Sarah next week. Noah emails Sarah, negotiates a time based on your calendar, and sends the invite. You don't touch a thing. Step 3. CC Noah on any email thread, and it reads the context, handles the back and forth, and books the meeting for you. Step 4. After a busy day, just text, "Send me today's action items," and Noah pulls it straight from your calendar and meeting notes. That's the entire setup. No onboarding call, no integrations to configure manually. The feature that sold me is CCing Noah on email. Add its inbox to any thread, and it keeps the conversation moving in your tone, negotiating times, closing a loop, and only pulls you in once everything's booked. No drafting, no back and forth, no forgotten replies. Now here's how this pays for itself. Founders and executives hate managing their calendars, but most of them have no idea a tool like this even exists. You connect their calendar, Gmail, and Slack, train Noah on their preferences, and charge 150 to 300 euros for the setup, then 50 to 100 euros a month to manage and refine it. This isn't hypothetical. Solo consultants are already reselling AI executive assistant setups as a monthly retainer service, because founders will pay to get their inbox and calendar off their plate. Let's talk pricing. Hey Noah gives you a free 30-day trial with no credit card required, so you can fully test the scheduling, email, and follow-up features before paying anything. And because it's SMS first, there's genuinely nothing to install or learn. You're testing the real product from message 1. If you're a founder buried in calendar back and forth, this is a no-brainer to try today. If your calendar is already simple, the free trial alone might be all you ever need. So here's my question for you. What would you delegate to Noah first? Scheduling, follow-ups, or client emails? Drop it below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI, new AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.